Hi friends, welcome back in channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to demonstrate the night mode shot capabilities in the OnePlus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, just today only I did receive the software update in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, and after receiving the software update, a lot of users they did ask me one question: how is the camera and how is the night mode particularly? That is what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So let me try to show you exactly what is the version which I'm trying to run and which is the Android security patch update. And this is the Android security patch update which is the August month, as you can see friends. And this is the update log which says improved app stability, as you can see. That is what it did mention, but few of the users they did ask me to check how is the night mode shots in this phone. So right now I'll be trying to show you the photo which I have taken with the normal shot, and next is a night mode shot. So in this way you'll be able to get to know how is the night mode shot capabilities in this OnePlus Nord 2. And even I'll try to do the live demonstration in front of the camera as well, how much powerful night mode shots in the OnePlus Nord 2 actually is. So now let me try to slightly increase the brightness in this phone to full brightness, as you can see, so that you can actually see the actual colors what is happening here. So this is the image which I have taken with the normal photo, as you can see, normal photo without any kind of night mode, and this is with the night mode. As you can see the difference with and without. And next, normal photo and night mode shot. As you can see friends, you can actually see the colors of the bottles as well, everything in the complete darkness. Just there is one small bed light somewhere around there, that's it, not much. It's fantastic. As you can see, this is another shot which I have taken, and look at this shot. If you have a little bit cut of lighting, the phone will be able to take a really very good night mode shots. As you can see friends, there's a small light is going on from the background, like a green color light. And if you try to use the night mode shot in that kind of situation, you will get really very good and better results. So right now let me try to turn off the studio light effect at this moment. So I'm trying to turn off the studio light effects. Right now that studio light effects is completely turned off. As you can see friends, Nitro, there is no studio lighting effect. Now let me try to take the image of this small car which is present here. In the low light, it's kind of really very hard to focus on the subject. That's the one thing which you should definitely understand. As you can see right now, it takes multiple times to get focus on the subject exactly, but it's not focusing exactly on the subject. But anyways, let me try to take the shot. Let's see what happens. And let me try to go to the night mode shot, and now let me try to capture the night mode shot in this exact. Now let's see what will be the difference in terms of the colors. As you can see friends, the colors. Now let me try to take the plant colors. So it's very hard to focus the small object. I'll need to choose the big objects maybe. This kind of plants should be kind of really good. Right now I'm trying to take this kind of plant at this moment. This is a normal shot, and now let me try to take the night mode shot. Yes, right now it's kind of focused really good, not bad. And it takes about close to 4 seconds or 5 seconds, that's it. Wow. As you can see the difference, how much it is. That's fantastic friends. Let me try to take a couple of other shots as well. Just want to do it in front of the camera only so you can actually see the difference what is happening. So here's the controller, so which has got some kind of colors and everything. So let me try to take the controller shot with the normal shot with the normal camera, and is a night mode camera. There's only phone light, that's it. So apart from phone light, there's no other light in this room. Now let me try to turn on the studio light effect. As you can see friends, how much clarity we got in this kind of subject. It's very good in terms of the night mode capabilities. It's really good to use this kind of night mode capabilities. As you can see friends, these are the images which are taken with normal shot and with night mode shot, normal shot and night mode. As you can see the difference, how much the light has come into the image. That's very good. As you can see friends, it's completely different. You cannot believe that I did take in the complete darkness, because it's kind of like that. The night mode shots are really very good in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. I'm really impressed after the recent software update. I did not have any kind of issues. Now let me try to show you what is the image size of the night mode. So this is a night mode shot which I have taken. Image size is 2.24 MB. And let me try to show you the normal shot. What is the size? 2.84 MB. As you can see, the night mode shots size is slightly less sometimes, as you can see, 2.92 MB, and the resolution you can see. So this is a normal shot which I have taken, 3.11 MB. 2.92. So night mode shots having the very less memory than the normal shot. This is a normal shot which are taken, and 3.25. This is a night mode shot, 2.52. As you can see the difference, how is the size of the night mode versus normal shot. So this is a quick review, friends, and in case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to demonstrate on this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and overall after the software update I did feel really good. And one more quick note, while using the night mode shots and if you're using the tripod, then definitely the phone sometimes may get lag, and sometimes the camera application will automatically close, yes, using the tripod mode. I'll try to make separate video because that's a really big issue for some of the users who are actually facing this kind of issue with the tripod mode. Exactly, that is what I meant. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. And tripod mode takes a lot of time, 30 seconds of time. So for 30 seconds you need to hold continuously the phone, otherwise if you have the tripod you can definitely use that. But most of the people, they did ask me only to do this normal night mode shot. That is the reason I thought of making this video. So see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.